Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a fascinating topic that's crucial for personal and professional success: emotional intelligence, or EI. So what exactly is emotional intelligence? Well, it's the ability to recognize, understand, and manage not only your own emotions, but also those of others. Now, why is this important? We imagine being at work and recognizing that a colleague is stressed. With high EI, you can approach this situation with empathy and perhaps help ease their stress. This ability strengthens relationships and opens up countless doors in personal and professional environments. So how can you enhance your emotional intelligence? Let's go through some practical steps. Firstly, be more self-aware. This means taking a moment to reflect on your emotions and asking yourself why you feel a certain way. It's about understanding the root cause of your emotions. Next, practice self-regulation. This isn't about suppressing your feelings, but rather managing them appropriately. For example, if you're feeling irritated, it might not be the best time to discuss an important issue. Wait until you can approach the situation calmly. Another key element is empathy. Try to see things from other people's perspectives. This doesn't mean you have to agree with them, but understanding where they're coming from can drastically improve your interactions. And don't forget about social skills. Engaging positively with others, whether it's through clear communication, active listening, or just being polite, can enhance your relationships significantly. Finally, motivation. Motivate yourself by setting personal goals that align with your values. This not only helps you stay focused, but also boosts your ability to manage setbacks with a positive attitude. Implementing these techniques isn't just about reading them, but making them a part of your daily life. Start small. Maybe try to identify and write down your emotions once a day, or try to understand a friend's perspective during a conversation. It's these small steps that pave the way to mastering emotional intelligence. Remember, improving your EI can lead to greater success in life. Not only can it enhance your relationships, but it also improves leadership skills and workplace dynamics. It's a journey well worth embarking on. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. See you next time.